Hello, everybody. My name is Arslane, and I'm co-founder of the company AirSerenity. AirSerenity is innovative indoor air purification technology, and our mission is to completely eliminate all kinds of indoor air pollutants. According to a lot of scientific studies, indoor air, like the air we have here in this room, is certainly 10 to 20 times more polluted than outdoor air. This is due to many factors, but ventilation, the concentration of pollutants, and the high air tightness of building. And according to the World Health Organization, 2 million people in the world die every year due to poor indoor air quality. And this indoor air provokes hundreds of millions of cases of asthma, of allergies, and also cancers in the world. All this is provoked by too many indoor air pollutants, such as microorganisms like bacteria, physical particles like cigarette smoke, and too many chemical compounds like formaldehyde. So indoor air quality is a real and serious public health issue. So that's why AirSerenity has invented a worldwide patented breakthrough technology for indoor air purification. It's a high-sensitive technology with low energy consumption and low cost of production. This technology is a combination of green materials, which works like a sponge to capture the pollutants, and the cold plasma able to oxidize and to completely eliminate all the retained pollutants. We have validated the proof of concept. Today, we are adapting the technology first to include it into air purifier or home device, the first product, and then we want to integrate it into building HVAC. It's a cartridge form technology, so you have to change the cartridge every 6 months, and then we recycle and reuse this cartridge. Our devices are smart because we have included many sensors for temperature, for humidity, and pollution level. And the device regulates the airflow depending to the human activity and the pollutant level. Our first product for the two first market, the public health market and prevention market, will be the air purifier or home devices or home device, and this will concern hundreds of millions of people, high sensitive people, the elderly and children in the world. But the biggest market which AirSerenity targets is building HVAC. Indeed, we can directly integrate our technology to building mechanical extract ventilation to minimize heat and energy waste and to be in line with the building low energy consumption policy, reducing CO2 and greenhouse gas emission. Also, all our materials are completely recyclable and reusable, and all our products are eco-designed. We have 3 different business model or sales approaches. The first one, from the beginning of 2013, will be the direct sales of our device and the cartridges using a large network or network of prescribers, patient association, and more than 1,040 allergist doctors in France. It's a quick go-to-market approach. The first market, B2B market, will be the integration of our technology into HVAC, concluding partnership with big companies like GDF Suez. We are currently in discussion, and we hope to launch this product in 2014. And we can already give grant licenses or launch co-branding products with companies in the same field. AirSerenity team is constituted by a founding team. Joseph, the CEO, he is the inventor of the technology, graduated from École Polytechnique in physics, the equivalent of MIT in France, and he is in charge of technical aspects. Alexandre graduated from Paris Business School. He is specialized in sustainable development, and he is in charge of marketing and sales. And myself, Arslane Kechkar, I'm an environment engineer, also graduated from Paris Business School. I'm in charge of business development. In addition to the founding team, we have a scientific support at École Polytechnique and also volunteer advisory board for industrialization, project management, and sales. AirSerenity has the ambition to become the worldwide leader for indoor air purification systems, so we expect to hire a large team to access many markets in the world. So today we have worldwide patented technology, and we have a proof of concept, and we only need $500,000 to produce, distribute, and to market the first home device in spring 2013. And we are also looking for distributors in many countries in the world. Thank you for listening.
So who of you does own an espresso machine, Nespresso, where you have to exchange these cartridges all the time, and you buy like a subscription? You have how many? Okay. So this is a similar approach, right? You do it for air purification. You have a recurring revenue. How long does one cartridge hold?
It's a 6-month lifespan, the cartridge. So you have just to put the cartridge for 6 months, and the cartridge do everything. We take the cartridge, recycle all the materials, and reuse them in the market.
You can recycle 100% of the cartridge?
Today we can do 80% of the cartridge, but we expect more and more in the near future.
Great.
I'm interested in the energy consumption of the system, also the purifying piece maybe, and
yes.
The typical power consumption of a ventilation system in which such piece would be integrated in the normalized household.
We are very, very, very low consumption energy product. We have 50 times, consume 50 times less energy than ions or photocatalysis energy. Why? Because we have an advance of 5 or 7 years in advance on carbonation what are there in the market today. Because we have a electronic card, minimized electronic card, which generates a high tension to generate the plasma. But we are patented this technology, so we use 5 or 10 watts just to generate the plasma. So it's a big difference with what we find today on the market.
Okay.
Wow.